Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Concept Booster classes of Business Studies class 12. Today our topic is functions of management. And before going to functions of management, we comes to know about what is management. So management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Three things are important here. One is process and effectively and efficiently. See, the process means series of steps. Series of steps. Effectively means with the predefined time. जो आपका पहले से टाइम डिसाइड किया गया है उसी पे आपको वो चीज अचीव करनी है. एंड efficiently means with the given resources. With the given resources you have to complete that task. ठीक है. Now comes to functions of management. Functions of management include these functions. 5 functions are there: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. We can write it POSDC. ठीक है. First one is planning. These functions will go in a sequential form and a force is there which bind all this function, that is known as coordination. ठीक है. A force which bind all these functions is coordination. Without coordination we can't perform this function effectively and efficiently. The very first function is planning. Planning means setting in advance and developing a way for achieving those goals. These include what to do, how to do, when to do, and who is going to do this. Okay, these 4 things will be included in planning. Planning means setting in advance. The goals will be set in advance and we just develop a way for achieving that goal effectively and efficiently. These 4 elements are included in planning. What is what to do, how to do, when to do and who is going to do this. Who is going to do this means to which we will just give the powers and authorities and responsibilities for doing that particular work. Next one is organizing. Organizing means, as we come to know about the word organize, from the organizing we will pick a word from all the functions. From planning we will pick plan, from organizing we will pick organize, from staffing we will pick staff, from directing we will pick direction, and from controlling we will pick control. Okay, these name will reflect the meaning of these function. Organizing means setting up of organizational structure. ठीक है. It includes, see, organizing include assigning of duties. And one important thing is included in organizing, that is very important thing, that establishing authority and responsibility relationship. A relationship of authorities and responsibilities should be managed in organizing. Authority here means power to take the decision. ठीक है. Some of the authority should be given to take the decision, the powers, and responsibility, our obligation to complete that task. Now comes to staffing. Staffing means finding the right person for the right job. You can find the right person for the right job through various steps. Means recruitment, selection, placement and training. Recruitment, pulling up of application. Selection means some of the rejections are there, that's why selection is called the negative process. Recruitment is called the positive because we just do the pulling up of application, and in selection we just reject the application through the various processes. Placement, we just place the right person on the right job. Training means we just advance them, that particular person which is placed at that place in that particular field. Promotion means we just promote the employees according to their performance in the organization for their motivation. This should be done for the motivation. Promotion leads to psychological motivation. Okay, and last one is the development of employees through various training sessions, through various skill and development sessions, through various seminars, technically and psychologically and personal development sessions should be there for the staff. This only and only function for this function is only for the staff. As we know, from staffing we pick a word, that is staff, that is our personnel, that is our human resources. Okay, next one is directing. Directing means giving the direction and instruction to the employees to do a particular work effectively and efficiently. Means we have to complete the work effectively and efficiently. Everybody is completing the work. Only completing the work is not our task. We have to complete the work effectively and efficiently. Giving direction and instruction to the employees for a particular task. This function directing, we have a word, that is direction. It includes 4 elements. 4 elements are included. One is communication. What is communication? Leadership. Okay, motivation. Okay, and see, communication means interaction of the people of different department for completing a task. Leadership means you have to influence the people, you have to influence your subordinates for completing that task. ठीक है, आपको उसको influence करना है कि आप उस चीज को कैसे complete करेंगे. Next is your motivation. This is influencing the people under you. This is inspiring the people under you by various monetary and non-monetary things. These are the things, and the last one is supervision. Supervision means you just seeing the employees if they are working in the right direction or not. These 4 elements are included in the directing function. And last one and the important one is, this is the last function and but very important function, controlling. Controlling means a word picked from controlling is control. Control means comparison of actual and standard. See, every organization set some standards. Okay, ki how you perform, how to what level, to what quality you have to perform. So they are standards decided, predefined standards are there, and what you have actually performed, the comparison of these will be there in the controlling. So many steps are there in the controlling. See, first of all, standard setting. आपके सबसे पहले स्टैंडर्ड फिक्स किए जाते हैं बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कि व्हाट क्वालिटी यू वांट इन योर वर्क. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन इज योर एक्चुअल परफॉर्मेंस. Actual performance, what our employees, what our human resources, what our personals actually performed. ठीक है, and the third one is comparison. Comparison between first and second, the standards set by the organization and the actual performance. If this, through this comparison, why we are doing this comparison? We are doing this comparison for knowing the deviations between the standard set and the actual. Deviation means the differences between these two. If we know about the differences, if the difference is positive, then it's good for the organization. No need to take the corrective steps. If the deviation is negative, then you need to take the corrective steps. You have to opt some other method of doing a particular task. ठीक है, आपका deviation होगा, deviation negative है, and then the last step is corrective actions. You have to take the corrective actions on the basis of these deviations. Positive, it's good for the organization. If the deviations are negative, it's not good for the organization. You have to go for the fourth step. That's all about the functions of the management. First is planning. These functions will go in this form only: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. In the short form we can say POSDC. That's all for these functions. Goodbye students, take care, stay home, stay safe.